This is our lesson number 3 of algebraic expressions and algebraic formulas. In this lesson, we will discuss our third formula, this one, right? And it is the easiest formula. It is a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, right? So you can realize or you can see the difference. So the second was a minus b whole square, right? So this is not the whole square. This is the square of a and square of b. There is a difference between a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, while a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we will discuss a square minus b square in this lesson, and I will explain to you this formula first, and we will prove this formula, then we will solve few questions to understand it. So a square minus b square is totally different from a minus b whole square, right? So if it is a square, the square of first one and the square of second one, so you have to write down one time in with the plus sign, one time with the negative sign. So simple. If it is a square minus b square, so what is here? This is a, right? So you have to write down first a plus b multiply by a minus b. One time you have to write down in with the positive sign. Second time you have to write down the same thing without the square. You do not have to write down the square with the negative sign. And if someone asks you to prove it, that how come a plus b multiplied by a minus b equal to a square minus b square, so this is the solution, this is the proof. So a plus b, a minus b, there is no sign between these two parentheses. It means it is a multiplication sign is here. So how you will multiply? I told you that you have to add the exponent. So first you have to multiply a with a, it is a square. Then a with minus b, which is minus ab. Then you have to multiply b with a, so you can write down ab or ba, both are same. And then minus b and plus b, which is equal to minus b square. So see, this is the same, ab plus ab minus ab plus ab, right? So this is cancel out because no coefficient, it means there is one coefficient, the coefficient is 1. If it would be a square b or this is ab, then it will not cancel out. Exact same, this is ab, this is plus, this is minus. Suppose you had one candy and you gave it to your friend. How many left? 0. They will cancel out. So what is remaining? A square, here minus b square. So this is the proof. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now we will solve few questions to understand this concept. 2x square minus 3y square. So instead of a, here I have mentioned the formula here as well. So instead of a we have 2x and instead of b we have 3y. Very easy. One time you have to write down without this square, right? You do not have to write down square. 2x plus 3y means a plus b. One time you have to write down in with the positive sign. One time you have to write down with the negative sign, 2x negative 3y, and this is the answer, right? So simple. One more question. 4a whole square minus 3b square. See, this is the a square, this is the b square. Instead of a we have 4a, instead of b you have 3b. This is the common formula. That's why I have mentioned a square minus b square. But whatever will be here, you have to consider a. Whatever will be here, you have to consider b. Do not take only b. 3b. Instead of a, we have 4a. So first you have to write down 4a with the and one time with plus, one time with minus. 4a plus 3b, 4a minus 3b, and this is the answer. If you will multiply these, you will get the same thing back. One last question. To understand the concept, 5c square minus 6d whole square, right? Whole square, this is square means it is on the top of 5, it is on the top of c as well. So one time instead of a you have 5c, instead of b you have 6d. One time you have to write down with plus sign, one time you have to write down with the negative sign. So 5c plus 6d and then 5c minus 6d. This is the answer. A square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Whatever is here, you have to write down one time with positive sign, one time with negative sign. Right? I hope that everything is clear regarding a square minus b square. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. I will try my best to solve it. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Sai My Academy, and thank you so much.